Hello, I had a great question come in about talking to text. I had mentioned it in another video of mine where I was talking about highlighting text on the screen and having an application called Natural Reader read to you. Well, this video is about a Google tool, voice typing. If you're not familiar, this is great for you. If you're familiar, then this can be review or you can shut the video off. But your questions have been fueling my videos. I want to say thank you very much for the questions, and you're welcome for those who have been very appreciative of all the videos I'm doing and posting and trying to help fellow parents figure this out, especially those of us very, very new to online learning and schools and the tools and paperwork, and it's just a lot. Well, let's dive right in. Real quick, before I get there, I want to let you know that I highly suggest a Google account. I'm not paid by Google or getting any kind of endorsements there, but I know you may be a fan of your Apple account or your Live account, Hotmail, Microsoft, Yahoo, whatever it may be. But I want to encourage this only because of a few things. One, a lot of schools are using Google Classroom, and the school may or may not have given you an email account, Gmail account. So this helps you kind of seamlessly interface with the Google Classroom. Also, it's a great way to have all the school email go to one email account, one for your family and then maybe one for each of your students, which is what we did. The other beautiful thing that we just stumbled across one summer, a couple summers ago, I said, I'm just getting all the kids a Gmail account. So I got them all a Gmail account. Then we got to FLVS, and then after we clicked on links to documents from the school, from the teachers within the course, they were actually Google documents. Well, the beauty of that is not only could I see them, without any problems and go to my Google Docs or Google Sheets and Google Presentation, but I also later can go to my recents in my Google Drive, go to recent or go to shared with me and see them still. So if you don't have a Gmail account, you do not have that capability. All right, just a side little plug about Gmail accounts. So we're going to go to my Google Drive. Ta-da, here it is. So I'm in my Gmail account, and in the top corner there's all those boxes, the 9 boxes, and you click on them and you get your drive. You go to the Google Drive. You come here. I'm going to go to new. I'm in a folder called test, by the way. Up here is a folder called test. I'm going to go to new. I'm going to go to Google Docs. There is sheets, slides. Sheets is like Excel. Slides is like PowerPoint. More. Here's forms, drawings, more applications. Okay, you can do Google Sites, do your own website, have your kid learn all these things. Okay, but we're going to go to the docs real quick. We're going to go to a blank document. After it opens, up in the top, I like to name mine right away. It's just my thing. Click on the untitled document up here. If you don't, whatever you type here will become your document. Your document name. So once I hit and I click up here, it'll become that name. Or I can edit here, say ELA 102. That's my assignment. Hit the tab to enter it. Okay, so my file is named. I've started to type. Here I am. Here, oops, here I am. And you're like, oh, I just want to talk to type. Your kid has been given a writing prompt, a question, an assignment, and they're just boom, their ideas are exploding. They just want to talk it out and type it. Go to tools, make sure you have a working microphone. Go to tools, go to voice typing. There it is, as easy as that. When you click it, you talk, and you click it and it turns it off. So it's a toggle on and off. Here we go, ready? Hello, comma, my name is Jackie, period. You may or may not know that you can talk to type your punctuation as well. How about that? What is your name? Question mark. I am glad you are here, period. All right, there you go. You can also look up Google voice typing commands, and probably, they used to have one called new line. It would go to a new line, or return, or enter, but I don't know, those don't seem to work for me anymore. So I just do this. What I do is what I will do is just type and keep typing, and then I will pause. Then I will hit enter, and I will keep typing, and I will just be quiet when I need to make an adjustment. And there you go. How about that? Well, I hope this was very helpful for you to see how to talk to type, voice typing. All right, there you go. Keep the questions coming. It's been great to answer them promptly as best as I can. I am now preparing for the school year for myself and my kids, and so I may get a little slower in answering, but I appreciate everything you guys are doing and commenting. So thank you, and I'll see you until next video. Bye-bye.